All right, moving on to Studio's seating grouping. As you can see, gorgeous straight line sectional. Same finish and coordinating fabrics as our dining room. Matching club chair. Notice the very crisp lines on the cushion. Unfortunately, low back contemporary takes away a little bit of that comfort level that a high back, squishy, plushy chair is going to give you. But you'll see that OWL does offer a lot of comfort for that same low profile contemporary. One of the things OWL gives you too is in ease of maintenance, one of the best cushions in the business. This cushion has a stay-dried wrapping around it, which means it basically will never get wet. So whether it's outside in the middle of the yard or undercover, and hopefully you're hosing it off all the time to maintain that good look, that cushion's never going to get wet and you could use it right after hosing it down. Again, super comfort, swivel rocker club chair. We stock the sectional pieces, as you can see, but keep in mind that a big part of our business is special orders. This is available, sectional club chairs, dining room, swivel and regular dining room chairs, but there's a whole host of other coordinating items that are available in special order. Normally a 4, 5, 6 week wait time, and bam, you've got exactly what your designer specified for that perfect look in your backyard. Multiple finishes. We stock the coastal gray, but everything from white, blacks, browns, etc. are available, and some of the most beautiful premium and exclusive fabrics in the industry, just from OWL. Tables, fire pits, dining room, occasional wall pieces, sectionals, sofas, chairs, everything you need. Studio collection from OWL.